welcome to Werks Reunion, Amelia Island. Werks Reunion, Amelia Island is a casual gathering of Porsche enthusiasts. We have over 500 cars on display, plus the cars that didn't make it into the event, and we're here all day just chilling. We have the 908-2 that's right next to me here. We have Rod Emery with his team. We have later models, GT2s, GT3s, I mean, you name it. If you're looking for a prime example of, the cover books cars that you've grew up with or cars recently, it's here, and you can see it for free. This year at Werks Reunion, we're featuring the Outlaws. For the longest time, those people that modified their Porsches, let's say, may not have been well received. So for me, it's great to see that this year we're honoring the modified 356s, the Outlaws.
An Outlaw is basically a hot-rodded 356.
The beauty and the amazing thing about a Porsche is that the design has continued to evolve. It's not like they ever just, tore the sheet off and started over. They built such an amazing shape, something that we all truly love and admire. And then the models evolved. I mean, the 911s still have the same shape like this early Gamut car here. But it's the engineering that's gone into these cars that has always been something that is amazing, and I truly believe that they built these cars so that they could be personalized, and so that we as owners could give each car our own little special touch.
I think it's fun because Outlaws are kind of an individual expression, and there's no right or wrong to them. You get to kind of build the car the way you want it, and people like it or they don't like it, and that's okay.
This car, nobody knew the history of the cars. Nobody knew that this was actually the Le Mans winning car. And when I had an opportunity with one of my clients, Cameron Healy, to purchase the car from the late Chuck Forge, we began documenting and doing all the research to determine that without beyond a shadow of a doubt, this was the Le Mans winning car. Porsche's first race as a car company, the first win at Le Mans in class, and what I feel is the beginning of all Porsche motorsport. And to see what the accomplishments are now just goes to show you that even a small little company with heart and desire can really achieve amazing things.
great cars, lots of great people. Everyone is welcome. Whether or not you own a Porsche, if you're an enthusiast and you love the brand, come join us.